That's one more important point. So there is a one new role which is called as MICC, Medical Information Call Center. First role, MICC. So this role is very new role, and all over the world they are looking at India to hire the people in pharmacovigilance, particularly in this team which is MICC. And this role, full form of this is Medical Information Call Center. We will be receiving calls from the patient, as I said, from US and Europe and Japan, and they will be reporting the adverse events what they have got. So we have to understand what case he has got, and we have to assess what is the risk he has got, and we have to process the case, and we have to report it to the regulatory body. And this particular jobs are enough in too much high numbers. I think recently also I have got one requirement that there are 25 openings and they wanted people, and we were unable to find out the people because the requirement is very clear that they have to have very strong knowledge on a pharmacovigilance and very, very good communication skills, because they have to understand the cases which are being reported by the US or Europe team. Okay, someone are asking for lives. I have given them lives. Okay. Now next one is the drug safety associates. The drug safety associates, generally this is a myth that we only have one job which is called as drug safety associate. So these are the people who process the case. These are the people who understands the case, who cracks the case. Okay, a case means, as I said, it may be adverse event, lack of efficacy, pregnancy, anything. Okay, these people cracks the case, and this DSAs are specifically hired by pharmacists and no other people. Even MICC role, guys, MICC role also they are hiring only these people. So DSAs are those, and there is one more specific roles, clinical coders. It's not the same what you are hearing outside. It's clinical coding, and we have 2 international certified dictionaries, internationally accepted dictionaries, including USFDA and EMEA, that is MEDRA and WHODD. So there's 2 dictionaries who are perfect. Okay, now clinical coder, I have also spoken about this role, clinical coder, and there is one more role which is QC reviewer. Okay, these people are being paid so much of high salaries, QC reviewer, and these people are little bit experienced when compared to the DSAs. Okay, drug safety associates. And one more time, QC reviewers also are being hired by pharmacists. And there is one of the interesting role which is medical review. Okay, and in this particular medical review there are 2 people who are being hired. One is the PharmDs, very happy for PharmDs. The second person is MPharm Pharmacology. So now these 2 people are being preferred because these 2 people are being understood that they have a very good knowledge on understanding the relationship between the adverse event and the drug, understanding the comorbidities of the drug, understanding what are the aspects which relates to the adverse events of the drug. Okay, now this is medical review, and anyone who wants to go into medical review, you can join in this team. It's a very good team, and there is a couple of other teams. So one is the aggregate reporting team, and this team, there is no doubt there is a huge salaries you have. Aggregate reporting team, the people who writes the PSURs, DSURs or PEDAs or PEBRADs. So these people are one more time preferred. So this is also been hired by pharmacists and even by allied sciences of homeopathy or PAMS doctors. There is one more team which is called as signal management, understanding signals, how the drug is really acting, and what are the unknown adverse events which are being identified now, and how can we go and report it to the adverse events. So this is signal management, and there is one more team which is Tri-Age team. And this Tri-Age team, there are been hired with experienced. There are a couple of my students who are able to go into Tri-Age team, but it's very difficult to work in Tri-Age team. So, but yes, if anyone wants to work in Tri-Age team, you have good roles. So now these are the teams, these are the jobs we have in only particular area called as pharmacovigilance. Now we still think that we don't have jobs.